So hello my dear friends, this is me your host Harsh and you are watching Electron Labs, and today's video we are gonna see the BlissOs 12.1 alpha build and we are gonna install it, and I'll tell you from the very beginning how to download it and how to make a bootable drive. So I'll be using Linux as my operating system. You can use Windows or any of the operating system you have currently installed on your machine. So you will require a USB Pendrive for making a bootable drive, and just download the file and just you can read through the BlissOs website. You can see features and all the things the BlissOs comes with, and after that now I'll tell you how to make a bootable drive in Linux. And in Windows you can use Power ISO or any other disk burner, yeah, or bootable drive maker application. So in Linux you just have to type lsblk, so it will list your USB, and now you just have to type sudo dd if equal to input means the location of the ISO. You just have to drag it to the terminal, and now it will just paste all of the path, and after that give a space, type of equal to the path of your USB. So in my case the path of my USB is /tape/stb, and now I'll type it and space bs is equals to 512k space status is equals to progress, so it will show the progress, and hit enter and it will take few minutes, 5 or 2. So give or wait for 5 minutes, and then just after the process get completed, just shut down your PC and now follow me. Just boot into your boot options where you can select various boot options. Now you have to select through your USB pen drive. Okay, so after that if you want to install it, do it. I'll not recommend installing this as it's the alpha version, so I prefer you to test it only, right? So you can run it live. Just select the first option, hit enter, wait for some time, and it will show you the startup of BlissOs. Just wait for some time. After that the ROM will be booted, and now if you go into the settings section you can see that it is based on Android 10. So here you can run Android 10 on your PC with ease, and it is pretty much good from the perspective of stability. And I don't know why any of the wallpaper is not showing on the screen. I don't know what's the issue. So maybe this could be any driver issue or issue in my laptop, maybe anything any possible. So this is all the BlissOs how it looks. So you can enjoy a video walkthrough of BlissOs, and you can also download applications from Play Store. Like I've downloaded my application Wall Drops on this and I'm running it with ease. The wallpaper are not setting, as I have mentioned that wallpaper are not showing on this ROM or operating system, so that's an issue. Other than that it's good to use. I hope this video turned out to be good or helpful for you, so please give it a like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. This is me your host Harsh, and I'm signing out. Peace, bye bye.